Hi everyone, I am back today to film what I think would be a good look for girls going to prom. I know it's almost prom season, so I never went to prom, but if I would have, I think my makeup would have probably looked a little bit like this. And we'll go ahead and get started here. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyes. Now, if you don't have an eye primer, a concealer works just as well for this. So to set my primer, I am going to be using this kind of vanilla shade. And the palette that I'm using right now is the Rosé in the Air. It's from Wet n Wild. Everybody says it's like a dupe for the Modern Renaissance. So I'm just using a flat shader brush and I'm just going into the vanilla color and I'm setting that primer. Next, I'm using the top transition color on just a blending brush. This is a pointed crease brush. And I'm going directly into the crease. Now this is the more cool toned of the transition shades in this Rosé in the Air. I'm blending that out pretty well. Then I am going to be using this Rimmel Magnifies Color Edition. Looks like this. And I am going to use this the lightest blue. It's kind of a teal blue. Now I'm going in on this angled fluffy brush. This one is from Luxie. It's the 207, it looks like. And I am going to put that on the outer corner, sweep it up into the crease, and on the inner corner. Making sure to blend that really well. And leaving an open space on my lid. And then on a domed contour brush, I'm going in on with the dark blue. And I'm going to focus that very lightly in the outer V to darken it up. Sweeping it up to the crease and the inner corner. For the center of my lids, I am going to use my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. I'm going to just apply it. And this is the L'Oreal Infallible Metallic Paints in aluminum foil. It's a very bright metallic silver. I'm going to put that right over the top of the NYX pencil. Just a tiny little bit under my eye with what was left over on the brush. Using my eye liner, I'm going to do a wing of the look with brows and mascara. So I did my brows, I did my mascara. The last step, I guess, is I'm taking my L'Oreal Infallible in Ice Latte. Yep, Ice Latte. And a little bit on my ring finger, tapping the inner corner. And I think with this look, let's see, I have two little Tarte. I might do a combination, see how that looks. This one is, I don't know, medium 1, I think it's called. This is the nude. Kind of like that. And this one is FOMO. Just a little bit. It's very minty. Okay, so that might be a bit much. Probably a nude lip would work perfectly.